Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to zip files in a Google Drive. So for that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser on your PC or laptop. So after opening up any of your browser, simply search for drive.google.com and Google Drive will be open to you. And here what you have to do is just simply select that specific file which you want to make zip. So first of all, you have to simply just little bit minimize it. So after minimizing it, you have to simply scroll down and select that specific file which you want to download as a zip and upload as a zip. So for that, you have to simply click on download button. So after clicking on download, you have to just simply wait for a while and that download will be opened here. So you guys can see that specific file has been downloaded here. So you have to simply drag and drop it to desktop here. So after dragging and drop it to desktop here, you guys can be able to see that file is now available on desktop. So you have to simply right click on that specific file. So after that, you will be able to see here are the options, some of the options. So you have to simply select this compress to zip file option. So after clicking on this option, you guys can be able to see you have to simply name that specific file. So I'm just typing as untitled. So what I have to do is just simply go to click on anywhere of your screen and simply drag and drop to again to Google Drive. So after tapping on that, now you guys can see that zip file is uploading here and you guys can see that specific zip file has been opened on a Google Drive. In this way, you guys can make a zip file on a link on a Google Drive. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.